Okay, so we need to reassemble the spring mechanism, and the first piece to go on is the cam lock. It faces forward. In that position like that. Flat edge forward. Then the next is the nylon washer. Onto there. Then next is the bracket. Small end to the front of the car. Screws can go into there. Phillips heads back into the base. This one at the front. One in the rear. Then next is the other nylon washer on the bottom of the plate. Next is this flat steel washer with the edges in it. Only goes on one way, so you can't knock that up. Then the spring, and then your nut. Half-inch nut. We'll do him up. Just firm, doesn't have to be over tight. And you can tell by how the window opens and closes whether or not it's too tight or not. It seems to be okay. So that's your spring and the bracket back on at the base. Easy as that.